Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread muffins. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon each of baking soda and vanilla extract. Don't forget a pinch of salt. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare your muffin tin with 12 liners. This ensures a smooth baking process from start to finish. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, mash your ripe bananas until mostly smooth, leaving a few small lumps for texture. Add 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the mashed bananas, mixing well. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins. With your batter ready, it's time to fill those muffin cups. Divide the batter evenly among the 12 prepared muffin cups, filling each about 2/3 full. This allows for a perfect rise without overflowing. Place the muffin tin into your preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 18 to 22 minutes. You'll know they're done when they're golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center of a muffin comes out clean. The aroma will be incredible. Congratulations, your delicious banana bread muffins are ready. Once out of the oven, let them cool in the muffin tin for about 5 minutes. This brief resting period helps them set and makes them easier to remove. After 5 minutes, carefully transfer the muffins to a wire rack to cool completely. While they are wonderful warm, cooling them fully enhances their texture and flavor. Enjoy your homemade banana bread muffins as a delightful breakfast, snack, or dessert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.